tell me a little bit about this MX285. Boy, it looks like a good, clean tractor.
Yeah, this is a 2-owner tractor. We bought it from Titan back in, I want to say 2010, 11. Had 800 actual hours, bought brand new at Titan. We were the second owner. We ran it up, I think we got a little over 3,000 hours on it. It's been a good, clean tractor. About 3 years ago, we put new rubber all the way around it. This last spring, I put a new injection pump on it. Been down to Titan this fall, did a few maintenance things to it. Dyno's out at 335 horse. Comes with the Easy Steer 250 on WAS. It works real well for tillage. It's just a good, old, reliable tractor. It rides nice, got the spin-it front axle, 4 remotes, full rack of weights in the rear tires, full power shift, 18 speed. If you're looking for a good tractor for tillage or planter and stuff, it's got power beyond everything you need. So take a look at her. She's good, she's clean. We're getting rid of it. We kind of changed our tillage practices. We don't use it near as much as we have. We put 50 hours on it last year. We figured we just didn't need to have it sitting around for 50 hours.
Yeah, you didn't really want to sell it.
No, I'd like to keep it and use it. It's a great grain cart tractor and stuff, but we've got to make room for equipment and can't have it sitting in the shed for 50 hours a year. So it's time to let it go, unfortunately. But it's a good tractor.
Well, I'm telling you what, if you're looking for a Case IH MX285, 3,300 hours. I think I've got a picture of it, 3,345 or something like that.
Yep.
I mean, you can't find tractors like that.
2006, when we bought it, was 800 hours. We were second owner. The guy that had it, it was just clean. He used it for some tillage, always inside. Ever since we've had it, this tractor's been inside, never sat outside, never been abused. We used it mostly just for tillage. Had on a grain cart a couple years, but it's just a good, old, reliable tractor, good horsepower. Nothing wrong with it. Like I said, if it wasn't for storage issues, for the 50 hours a year we only put on it, we'd probably keep it, but we're going to have to make room and get rid of it, unfortunately.
You got to drive a long ways to find one this nice. Thanks, Mike.
Yep.